Hi guys, ayan, dito kami ngayon sa Castanura Beach. Makakababad na rin ulit sa dagat. Ayan ang aking DS.
Long live!
Long live.
Long live! Panatir chapter! Long live!
Ayun oh. DS namin sa East Council Alpacaparo. Ang daming tao guys, tingnan nyo. Ang daming tao oh.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Ang hirap maglakad dito sa ano, buhangin. Ayun mga kasama ko, mga brothers. Ang ganda ng buhangin guys oh, ang puti. Guys, ang ganda ng dagat.
So yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better.
Okay, ikaw na ano? Ayan. Oh, Brad, shoutout mo yung ano mo, yung channel mo dito.
Shoutout pala sa channel ko. GNT TV.
TV. Ayan, GNT TV. Please subscribe. Sa akin.
Tayo. Ayan, subscribe din sa brother ko na channel.
Please subscribe my channel, Bisayang Bicolano TV. Ayan.
Long live sa lahat ng mga
Long live.
Dito kasi kami ngayon sa Castanura, tinitingnan namin yung venue regarding sa team building.
Ayan.
Sponsor by
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in.
O yan guys, grabe, parang hindi siguro tayo makakaligo. Sobrang lamig. Pati yung tubig, ang lamig. Puntahan natin yung tubig. Tingnan natin kung malamig ba o hindi yung ilalim. Sarap sana maligo eh. Yan. Ay, grabe ang lamig. Lamig yung tubig guys. Sarap sana maligo oh. Ang lamig. Grabe. Taglamig pa kasi ngayon dito sa Saudi Arabia. Kaya yan, yung hangin niya oh, habang gumagabi lumalamig. Kanina medyo ano pa eh, walang hangin eh. Ngayon paggabi na may hangin na.
I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away.
Crash in the dark, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Ang lamig. Sarap sana maligo guys. Ganda ng tubig oh. Ayan guys, please subscribe my channel Bisayang Bicolano TV at hit ang notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga video. Ayan, long live.
Get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society